everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I want to share one of chicken recipe. We call Friday takeaway chicken. For the chicken, Friday chicken, we need we're gonna roast it. 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. We're gonna add to our frying pan. Wok. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 3 teaspoons of black pepper. Now I have here ginger, we can add our garlic. I got garlic here, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 garlic. Okay. I have here curry leaves, 10 of them, 8, 10, and we're going to fry them. And also I have here 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, just a little bit, and we'll start frying. Roast them lightly. These already smell nice. I don't want any color, it's just a little bit lightly fry them, and we're going to make paste. Now I have here red Kashmiri chilies. I'm going to remove the seeds and put it inside the wok. We need to dry them too. Remove all the seeds. It will give nice color to the chicken. 4, 5. Rub just like that, and the seeds will come off. Okay. If you're short of time, you can buy garam masala, spice mix. But if we have time in the weekend, it's very nice to make our own. Okay. I will get another one. That's enough, yeah. Now I can fry them. Now we're going to fry them all. Just a little bit more. When it's ready, we can cool all the spices, ginger, the garlic, the curry leaves, and then we can make a paste and add to our chicken. I do have a whole chicken here. I cut the pieces so we can marinate it. And meanwhile it's marinating, we can do the we can fry the onions, and then we can add the marinated chicken. It's very quick. It just only this part a little bit takes time, not that much. Just a little bit more. It's nearly there. It's nearly there. Now I'm gonna check. this another maybe a couple of minutes. I'm gonna check. See, it crumbles, so it's not ready. I'm gonna turn it off and cool completely, and then we can make a paste. Okay, I'm gonna check the chilies. Easily, it will be easy to make a paste. Yeah. So I'm gonna put it in the jar, and I'm gonna make a paste, and then we can start cooking. It's everything here, the mixing bowl. In the jar, which I'm gonna make a paste. I'm gonna add whole lemon. I'm using. If you don't have a lemon, you can use a vinegar or tamarind. Okay. Now I'm gonna make a paste. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna whisk the yogurt, and we can marinate it. Gonna add half of it. If we need, we can put a little bit more, probably half a cup. Now we're gonna add our spice paste. Okay. It's already smell nice. I'm going to put a little bit of water here so I can remove all the paste. Just a little bit. Remove all the paste. Add the chicken. Now, what we can do, I'm going to grab this spoon. Can add turmeric powder, half a teaspoon, this much. Okay. We can add salt to taste, this much, half a teaspoon. Now we're gonna marinate the chicken, the paste, the yogurt. I'm gonna use my hand, just okay. Very gentle. I'm gonna mix all the chicken and the marinade and yogurt. It's much cheaper to buy a whole chicken than only thighs or legs. But if you prefer leg or thigh or even breast will cook very quickly. Now while our chicken is marinating, we can fry the onion. Okay. Remove all the paste from my hand. Put it on the side. Organize the pan. Wok. I'm going to clean up a little bit. And we turn it on. Heat the wok. Add I'm going to add the clarified butter, but you can add oil. This much. Okay. And we'll wait to heat a little bit, tiny bit. I already chopped the onions, 2 medium onions I chopped. Now we'll wait a little bit. What I have here, chopped onion, curry leaves, and 1 piece of mace. We're going to add, when the clarified butter is going to heat up a little bit. Now we can add our mace. We can add just the curry leaves. And this starts sizzling. We can add our onion, 2 medium onion. Yeah. Just onion. And we're going to fry onions slightly. Not too much color, just light pink color. You just keep frying. It's already smelling lovely. You just keep frying. It's getting a little bit softer now. We just wait a little bit. When it's a little bit pink, the onion is a little lightly pink, we can add our chicken, marinated chicken. Keep stirring. We can add the chicken now. It's a little bit softened in the light pinkish color. Now I'm going to add whole chicken, marinated chicken. And remove all the marinade. We don't need to leave anything. It's nice. Give you nice sauce mix. Lightly. And we'll put the lid on for 5 minutes. And we'll wait 5 minutes and then we can carry on. Put the lid on now. And we will come back after 5 minutes. We can open the lid. We can try. Now in this stage, I'm gonna add my Kashmiri chili powder. It's not spicy, just gonna give nice the color to the curry. Okay, we'll mix. Mix, and we'll cover it again. And we'll cook another 5 minutes. You can check the steam. When you open the lid, it's just away from you, so you won't get the steam. We fry it. It smells very nice. You've seen how easy to make spice mix in the weekend when you have time. You can make your own spice mix. Very cheap to make. And the cover button. It still is the medium high heat. And we'll leave it for another 5 minutes. Now we can mix the steam weight on you. It's nearly there. You can see the oil comes up on the top of the chicken. It's nearly there now. Now I'm going to dry it a little bit, the chicken, because I don't want it too much shredded. Maybe a little bit. I can eat with the flat bread or naan bread. Or you can eat with the rice. It smells so nice. Please try it. It's really easy, delicious meal for you, family and friends. Okay? Now, I'm going to put the cover, the lid, and another 5 minutes, and that's it. We can fry it. It's cooking another 5 minutes. I'm going to get the serving plate and warm it up a little bit so I can serve and you can see. Another 5 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my plate in the oven to dry it and also heat it up a little bit so it will stay warm so everybody can come around the table and we all can have it the same as you. When you're ready, you bring your call your family and friends and enjoy. So now I'm going to put it in the oven. I'm going to open the lid very carefully. So I already washed my spatula because it was raw before, so it's already cooked. So with clean spatula, I will start frying. Look at this. I wish you can smell this. It's so heavenly. It smells so nice. I'm going to fry a little bit. In the end, it's all ready. The chicken is ready. You can see the oil comes up on the top. So I'm going to a little bit fry. So I don't want too much juice. The gravy, I mean. But if you like gravy this much, it's ready. You can turn it off and put it in your serving plate. That's it. I don't want to be catching the bottom, so I'm going to mix it. So I will go outside, get a couple of green chilies. You can put coriander, green coriander leaves. You can put kasuri methi. If the coriander is not available, green coriander. That's it. I already got the chilies from my plant. I'm going to decorate it. So we're going to turn it off. It's all ready. Okay? That much I like gravy. I'm going to do that much. But if you like more, once the oil comes on the top, you can add a little bit of water and wait another 5 minutes with the cover lid on and serve your family and friends. I will take it out the serving plate and we can serve it. I just want to mix. I'm going to turn it off. It's hot, so you need to tell to not to burn yourself. This is my serving plate. I'm going to serve it in this plate. Okay. That's it. I'm going to add to my serving plate very gently, not to splash on yourself. Okay. I'm going to put some green chilies and a little bit coriander leaves. If you like, you can add coriander leaves. I'm going to wash my chilies. Yeah, I can add more for decoration. I'm going to add some chili if somebody likes the chili. I make mild because my granddaughter is going to try this meal. So I add less chili. Yeah, and we can put a little bit coriander. I just grab quickly coriander leaves and scatter your greens. Friday takeaway any day. My family absolutely love this dish. I hope you like it too. I hope you agree with me. Enjoy, everybody.